Emmy just saw me cut my own bangs and asked me to cut hers. Now she wants bangs, but her twin sister doesn't. So we're gonna go for a totally different look than Mia?
Are you sure?
Are you sure? We're gonna cut her bangs and I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's really simple. First, I'm gonna try to get this hair back. And we're gonna kind of figure out how much bangs do we want. Look, what? Kind of like that. I think you're supposed to make like a V kind of. Okay, now we're gonna go wet them.
Ooh.
Hi. Oh boy, I'm nervous. All right, we ready for this?
Hey guys.
No going back now. Oh. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Are we done?
Well, I mean, pretty much. What do you think?
Good.
Now we gotta let them dry.
That looks so different.
If you look, I kind of did a deeper V, and we're just gonna cut this hair, make it a little thicker. How's that? You like it?
I like it.
You like it? Hold on. You're my hair daredevil, just like mommy. We say, YOLO, you only live once. It's just hair, right?
Yeah.
So have fun with it.
It's just hair. Have fun. How do you like my bangs?
They're looking mighty fine, Emmy-chan. You like them?
Yes.
Okay.
Love them, love them. Love them, love them, love them. Thanks for watching. Joy surprise.
Was that be sure to subscribe?
Yes.
Yes.